Well, everybody, sit there and it looks like I may have neglected being around and doing stuff on my 800 Commander. It's lifted up with 32-inch tires a little bit. I don't know if y'all can tell what kind of leaves these are, but let's see, where's it at? I saw something in here a little bit ago. There's one of them. Alright, does that give y'all a hint there? Let's see. There's some flowers off of it. Yeah, there it is. 6 inches of lift, and you can't hardly even tell it. Let's see. There's another one. Hint. There's the biggest one I've seen so far, I think. That give you an idea how big it is. But yeah, I think I've neglected it too long. It's about time to just go ahead and face the facts and what do you call it, dig it out or cut it out or what? But yeah, I think it's time to put the belt, fix the belt on it, fix the axle boot on the back, put the starter button back in it. I guess I'll have to get some more seat covers made. These lasted since let's see, 2012 when I put the bottoms on. That's supposed to be marine grade vinyl. It's supposed to be marine grade thread too, but that's what happened here is the threads come apart. Some of this right here is from my black dog, my Cane Corso. He sleeps in this seat, driver's seat, and up there so he can get behind the fan. I'm surprised he ain't got up on the roof yet, but I'm sure he would if he could, or if he thought about it. But there's my old truck, my old 7 model with the 6.7 Cummins in it. There's my 1000 Commander. It needs some rear end work on it, but the motor runs good. The front suspension's good. It's got snorkels and some type of fancy air breather box. And that's the Yamaha 350 Wolverine 4-wheeler from back in the 90s, and there's my brand new 12,000 winch that burnt the night I almost lost my house.